For various industries, Thermo-Clean offers tailored solutions for cleaning all types of filters. When we receive your new filter for the first time, we perform pre-cleaning and testing to determine its reference values. Then it receives a unique engraved code. These data ensure we do a better cleaning and follow-up in the future. We return your filter to you, and after some use it needs to be cleaned. You send it to Thermo-Clean, where we select the right cleaning technique depending on the specific type of filter. For some materials we can start with thermal cleaning. We always perform a chemical cleaning on filters and hose the pollution down. As a final step, we can perform several tests like bubble point and bubble flow testing and weighing at our plant. These measurements are compared to the reference values and enable us to establish the exact degree of purity and define if the filter is still okay to use. Our specialized local team sends you a detailed report of these tests afterwards. If the filter is not okay to use, we replace it so we can guarantee the best possible filter unit. We can also disassemble and, after cleaning, reassemble your complete filter bundles to offer you a complete filter cleaning service. Did you know that the cost of cleaning your metal filters is only 10 to 20% compared to buying new filters? Our thermal and chemical cleaning techniques come as close to 100% clean. This means a lot of savings on maintenance outlays without compromising on quality, as well as less energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Do your filters need to be cleaned? Talk to Thermo-Clean today.